You ready?
Yep.
You're a little low on them, bro. That's good.
Oh, that thing. Hello? Hey, Mamacita, how you doing today? I'm good. Sitting out here filming for a second. What you got up? Well, no, we can always go get that Chinese that you like. You know, it's all on you. I'm gonna be a little bit hungry when I leave here, though. Yeah. Now look, I'm gonna tell you too. Look, make sure you throw that sexy lingerie on, okay? You know I like, yeah, the one with the red. Yeah, got the open at the back. Yeah, that one. Yeah. You know I'm just talking, Noah. But look, I'm finna get done with this, and then I'm gonna hit you back, okay? I promise you, I got you. All right? But all right, boo. Bye.
So that's perfect. Don't look at me.
Ah, shit.
He was fighting it.
Now that's cool. But so I just do a cutaway. But what I want you to do now is pick up the phone now. I'm gonna call you again, and you act like you talking to one of your friends that you excited about. You move to Texas. You finna be a movie.
I bet.
You flexing. You like I moved to Texas, baby. We live in a big city. I'm from the.
All right, I got you. Okay, cool.
Now you wildin'.
I got you.
All right, you ready?
Yep. What's up? Yeah, I just touched down not too long ago. Oh shit, love out here, like you just don't know, like all the big lights, big city lights, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of things to do out here. Yeah, it's a lot different than Vicksburg. Yeah, a whole lot. You know what I'm saying? Like I can't wait to hit the streets, you know what I'm saying? Of course I'm gonna keep it safe. Yeah. Oh, whatever. I ain't about to worry about that. But look, peep this, when you touch down, I'm gonna have everything lined up for you. As soon as you get out here, I got you, okay? We're gonna have some fun. I'm talking about, you can, on the water, whatever, we go Galveston Beach, whatever that you like, well, Houston, wherever. Yeah, you think I'm not playing. Yeah. Let me know when you touch down, all right? Bet. And it's up. All right, for sure. Shit, let go. Turn them up. There you go.